Hi guys, and welcome to another Divi theme video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, today we're going to show you how to save and load libraries to your Divi library. This can be really useful for recreating pages extremely fast. So let's get started. Let's just enable the Visual Builder. And I've got a page here. We've got full width section, the purple tabs, regular sections, blue tab, rows, the green tab, and modules, the dark tab. And we can save any of these to our libraries and reuse them at any time. So let's save a couple and we'll reload them on a new page. So I've got a full width section here, a purple one. To save to the library, go up to the round icon just to the left of the trash can there. Click it and give it a name. I'm going to say FW for full width top. This is a little header section right there. And let's go down and we'll save a module, same little icon just to the left of the trash can, and we'll call this title or something. And we'll do the same for a row down below. Green tab for the row, same icon. Services row. Good idea to give it a name so you can remember what it is, because you're not going to see the actual module you're saving in the library, you will see the name. And let's go down a little bit more. And let's take this section here. We've got a section here, blue tab for a section. I'll call it image section. And like I say, this is great for creating pages really quickly. Once you've done some styling on your site and you want it to be common throughout, it's a great idea. So we can now save our changes here, not that we've really made any, and exit the Visual Builder. And let's create a new page. One thing I didn't mention is you can save the whole page layout as well if you want to, and I'll show you how to do that in just a second. But I'm going to build with our sections we put in the library there. Here's our new page. As you can see, we've got add from library. Now this is prompting us to insert a row. So I don't want to put in row, I want to put in our full width section. I'm going to hit the little button for a new section here. I'm going to say add from library. There's our full width top. There it is. I can get rid of this top section now. And let's add another section and we'll put something in. Let's add a row. We're in insert row. Let's add from library. There's our little services row. Great. So let's add a new row. We saved a module. I want it to be a single row. So let's add from library. There it is, title. If you don't want it there, we can pop it up wherever you want it by just grabbing the handle and releasing. There we go. And we can add a whole new section. Let's add the section, add from library. There's the image section. Save our changes. Publish or save draft. And exit the Visual Builder. And there we go. We've got a full page here in a couple of minutes. Of course, you're going to want to go in and change your content there, but apart from that, that's a pretty handy little feature. But what I didn't mention before, if we re-enable the Visual Builder, is you can save the whole page. If we go down to the little purple button here, again we've got that little round icon just to the left of the trash can. Give it a title as usual. Now there's nothing to save here. Let's exit the Visual Builder and let's add a new page again this time. Whatever you want to call it, we'll use the Divi Builder. And this time we can choose a pre-made layout. And we'll say your save layouts. And there's our services page. We can just load the whole thing from there. We'll save our draft. There's another way of saving a whole page or loading a whole page for sure. You may have noticed just now if we create another new page. We can clone an existing page. So if we choose this one, there's that services 2 page. You can just pop that in there. And there it is again. And you may say, well, what's the difference between this and the other way? Well, the other way, when we save it to our library, we can actually export it and use it on another Divi website quite easily. And we'll cover that in a different video. And of course, like I say, you want to go in and change your titles and things like that. When you're happy, publish or save draft. And let's exit the Visual Builder. Now once these are saved in your library, you can actually go in and edit them at any time. So if we go back to our dashboard here, we go down to Divi, here you can find your Divi library. If we click on that, there's our services page, there's our image section, there's our services row, there's our title, and a couple of others we've got there. And if you want to edit anything in particular, just hit the edit button. We'll start building. Here's our little blurb module in there, and like any other module, you can go in there, change it, the content, the design, if you want to modify it to use on other pages. And like I say, we can export and import these into other Divi projects on other websites, and we'll be covering that in future videos. So there you go guys, there's how to import sections, rows and modules to your Divi library and reuse them. Fantastic little feature, makes designing really quick. So I hope you've enjoyed this today and found it useful. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, ring the bell, comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.